Hey everyone, Paul Akers. Generosity Press is one of my favorite things where I take classic books and we record them so that you can have access to them in an audio format. The first one we did was Henry Ford's Today and Tomorrow. And the next one we're introducing right now is the 1973 Toyota Production Handbook by Taiichi Ohno. This is absolutely amazing to get into the mind of Taiichi Ohno and what he was thinking as he created the Toyota production system. So I think you're going to really enjoy this book. It's another classic book recorded from Generosity Press. And of course, everything is free, no cost. And if you want to listen to it as well on the 2-Second Lane Play app, the new app that I developed, which is also free, it's an audio version basically of all my books in all the languages, as well as all the classic books that we're recording on Generosity Press. They're all available on 2-Second Lane Play. So enjoy 1973 Taiichi Ohno Toyota Handbook. You're going to love it.
Ohno in his 1973 Toyota Production System Manual.
Chapter 1. TPS is a sequence of operations.